Launched in 2013, the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is a corridor linking the Gwadar port in southwestern Pakistan with Kashgar in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, which highlights energy, transport, and industrial cooperation. On the 10th anniversary of the CPEC, a Pakistani expert says it's a golden goose that brings huge profits to Pakistan.
We will be celebrating 10th year anniversary of a CPEC, and I think that CPEC is one of the golden project to establish a good economy within Pakistan, which is based on its own industry, its own skilled labor, and its own products as well. CPEC is not only a trade route, but it also allows the local industry to boost up, and we will see not exactly next year, but in coming years, we will see a good domestic financial market within Pakistan, and we will also see a boost in a high-tech industry, especially. So we can reap actually a huge profitability from this CPEC. You have heard about that Chinese and Pakistan friendship is higher than mountains and deeper than sea. And CPEC is a true representation, true unbiased representation. Now, because of this opportunity, as I told you, that Pakistan feels safe for the future uncertainties, because we still have an opportunities to grow our markets, to get into the global competition through this CPEC. So it is definitely a golden goose for us. So we have to protect it as well, and we have to efficiently utilize it as well.